Mongolian beef is one of my favorite Asian dish. Super easy to make. To make a Mongolian beef, we need flank beef, 2 TBSP corn flour, and salt. In large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic, onion and ginger, and saute for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Remove and set aside the onion, garlic, ginger. Add the coated beef slices to the pan and cook until they are browned and crispy on the edges. This may take 2 to 3 minutes per side. When the beef is golden brown, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Stir until the brown sugar is fully dissolved. Return the garlic, onion, ginger. Then add some carrots. I add some chili flakes to give it that extra spicy kick and elevate the flavors. I also add some peke or Chinese cabbage, my favorite green vegetable. It's done. Enjoy the deliciously spicy Mongolian beef with rice or noodles. It's sure to be a mouth-watering and satisfying meal. Bon appetit! Share and enjoy. Follow for more.